The next thing we have to fill out is table 40.4. There are two columns. The first of which we need to complete is the growth rate given in percent increase per year. That's what that percent INC period / YR unit means. So the formula that they give us is not actually given to us in the form of a formula, so I wrote my own, but I have it as B minus D over 1,000, where G is the growth rate, B is the birth rate, D is the death rate. And the reason it's over 1,000 is because in demographic studies, this is usually expressed as per 1,000 people. And then for the table, don't forget to change your answers to percentages. So what you're going to get is a decimal number, and then you have to multiply by 100 to make it percent. So let's try the first one together. Let's use the example of the data for the whole world. So B, our birth rate, is going to be 20.3, and that's subtract the death rate, D, is 8.5. Divide that by 1,000, 0.0118. And then we're going to multiply that by 100 to give us a percentage, and that's 1.18%. So I'll start the next one. You pause the video, try it yourself, and then come back and check and see if you got it right. So for Africa, our birth rate is 36. Our death rate is 12.5. We divide by 1,000 as always. So pause the video and see what you get. Okay, did you get 2.35%? If you did, great. For table 40.4 still, but this time we're working on the doubling time. So doubling time in this case is the number of years that it would take Earth's population, or the population of the region given, of humans to double. So back in our earlier exercise, we were told that the doubling time for that bacteria was every half an hour. Obviously, they reproduce much faster than humans. So the formula we're given for doubling time, which is abbreviated as a little d, is 70 years divided by the growth rate as a percentage. So from the example of the world population, we've got 70 years. And the reason for 70 years is that that's a constant that they use for demographic purposes. So 70 divided by our original value, percent from above is 1.18, gives me 59.3. It gives me a longer number than that, but I'm rounding. So then let's have you try the second one. Pause the video, come back, see how you did. If you got 29.8 or something that rounds to that, then you did a good job. You just continue for the rest of those. And now at that point, you will have filled in everything that you needed to fill in the middle of the reading.